Today, we're gonna learn the It Depends Challenge by Chris Brown. Now, I realized in my last tutorial, I actually taught it on the opposite side. So today, we're gonna do it on the same side as Chris Brown and the dancers. Don't worry, the moves are the same. I'm just here to help you get on the right side, okay? So, we're gonna divide this up into 4 sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it, all right? The first section, the first thing you wanna think of is having those hands crossed, and this is your groove here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I'm doing is just rocking like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. The first 2, I'm gonna have my arms crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're gonna open up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? That's gonna start on the count 8. I'm gonna crunch here on the count 8, and I'm gonna rock back, stepping on that right leg and leaning forward on that 1. So it's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, do that with me one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good. Now I'm gonna repeat the same move, but bring this left leg in, crunch my body, boom, to step on that left leg. Ha. Good. All right, let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do the same thing, but now open up the hands. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now from here, to finish off section 1, I'm going to step out with my right leg. I'm going to go right leg, and I'm going to look over to my right, come back to my center, then look to my left, and then come back to my center. And my hands are going to go up, center, up, center. And it almost feels like you're going back, hey, with the hands, yes? And it has this like little pulse to it. So if you see me from the side, hoo, hoo, yes? Let's do that slow. That second part again, we're going step, center, step, center. We're trying to follow Chris Brown as much as we possibly can here, all right? But if you see his other dancers, they have their own little sauce with it, but they're doing the same steps. Let's go from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here we go body roll. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 8 is just doing on those lyrics, come here. All right? So you're rolling down, come here. Or you could do your own thing like the dancers do their own thing. Whatever, get your freaky on, all right? You know what to do. Let's go from the top one more time, then we'll move on to section 2. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 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 do. Nice, okay? So now moving on to section number 2. This one, the rhythm is gonna go like this. Repeat after me. Boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, tap, boom, boom, cat. All right? That rhythm there is gonna help you. We're gonna have our hands in front, pulling the right hand first. I'm gonna pull the right hand and put it behind my back, almost like I'm placing something behind my back, yes? That's gonna go right, then I'm gonna snap, then I'm gonna go double on the left. Left, left, snap. Pull, hop, boom, boom, hop, boom, boom, hop. One more time, just like that. So we're gonna have our legs just like this. I'm doing the same count, but now watch how my legs pulse on the beat. So I'm gonna go pulse, relax, pulse, pulse, relax, pulse, relax, pulse, pulse, relax. So you notice that every time I'm pulling my arm back, the knees are going boom, with a little accent there, yes? Pulse, relax, pulse, pulse, relax, pulse, relax, pulse, pulse, relax. All right? Now, to get that groove, it almost feels like a little butterfly motion. It just reminds me of that, yes, to get the little groove. So we're using our upper body here. We're gonna be grounded like this. And you just have a little roll with this upper body to get a little bit more motion into it. So right hand's gonna pull first. I'm gonna go boom, snap, boom, boom, snap, boom, snap, boom, boom, snap. Yes? Now, the last one is actually gonna take out the snap. So when I go here, boom, cat, boom, boom. That's the first phrase. Again, boom, cat, boom, boom. I'm gonna step across, right, left, and lean away from it. So I finish here, boom, boom. I'm gonna go right, left, together. That's section 2. Let's stop there. Do that a couple times to make sure you got it, all right? So we said, from here again, we finish ba ba ba, boom. Come here, I'm gonna step out with this left leg on that 1. 1, ba, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, switch and. All right, this is the trickiest part, so I'm gonna do that one more time, okay? Listen to the way I'm saying the rhythm is gonna help you. Again, so we said 5, 6, 7, and 8. Say it with me slow. Boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, a step and. Yes, that should help you out there, okay? Let's connect section 1 and 2 nice and slow. Here we go, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Stop there. Section 2, ready? We said, boom, do, 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 boom, boom. Boom, 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 shaka, hey. Yes? All right. Now, moving on to section 3. After we go, step together. We're gonna have our right hand across our stomach, left hand behind, and we're gonna kind of have like this, I call it like a reverse kind of glitch movement, bouncing to your right ear. So I'm bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? That bounce there, I'm gonna go 1, 2, then my hand's gonna come up on 3, 4, like I'm listening. Then I'm gonna switch it. Right hand's gonna go down, left hand's gonna come up like I'm calling. Ba, ba. So 1, 2, 3, 4, switch 5, 6. Again, we said 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from here, I'm gonna roll 7 and an 8. Yes? Ba, ba, ha, ha, ta, ta, da, da, da. Yes? Again, we said from here, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. Then from here, I'm just gonna take my body, it's gonna have 3 hits here. Boom, boom, boom. Yes? And you're just up on that left leg and pulling your hands to your waist. Yes? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Good. So we go 7 and an 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So that from here, bounce, bounce, listen up, call it out, roll it out, and boom, boom, boom. And then from here, it has like a snap sound at the end. This is where you can have your own moment. You see some people, Chris Brown just does this. Some people slap the ground. Some people do their own thing in the back. You could choose what you want. So after you go, boom, 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 smack, and. Yes? We're gonna stop there. That's section 3. Let's connect section 1, 2, and 3 super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. One more time just like that before we go into section 4. Okay, here we go. From the top with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom. Ooh yeah. Do 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 do. Boo, boo, boo. Cat, hey. Woo. Okay. Let's move on to section number 4. Now from here, you're stepping on the left leg first, and you're gonna just have this little bounce here, this little groove. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, together. One more time, just the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stepping on the left. We said left, right, left, right, left, right, left, together. Yes? The hands are gonna go like you're eating up something right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the eating. Then we sleep. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, those steps together with the hands. We said step on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 together. Yeah? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here, just do your own whine, any kind of body roll, something that makes you feel sexy, yeah? Just go off, boom, ha, ha. You get the point, all right? And that's gonna be the end of section 4. Let's put it together once again, section 4. So we said, we finish our snap, come up on the 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Let's connect section 1, 2, 3, and 4 super slow. We're gonna pause after each section. Here we go. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? All right, let's go straight through from the top. Here we go with the rhythm. Ready? All the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do 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 do. Boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom. Ooh yeah, do 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 do. Boom, 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 cat, hey. Do 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 do. Yes? Alright, now go try with the music right over here, or if you want to learn another dance, head right over here. Alright? Thank you guys, and I hope you are ready for the Breezy Bowl. Peace!